Hey guys, today I thought I'd do another product review video, and for this one it's on a Briggs & Stratton tune-up kit, which is meant to be for the Quantum series engines that are found on most lawnmowers. And let me put the camera at macro so y'all can see all that. See, that's what this kit is for. And here's what all comes in it: a spark plug, air filter, some oil, and some fuel stabilizer. I like these kits because, like, if you ever need to do a tune-up on your lawnmower, you know, it's got all the stuff in, which that beats having to buy the stuff separate, like for instance a spark plug and air filter. So it's really nice. So I already have it open here, so this is what it looks like from inside. So you have your air filter, your spark plug. I can just pull those out. And the spark plug, by the way, is a Champion RJ19 LM, and it has the Briggs & Stratton logo on it. It's got a container of SAE 30 weight oil, and also your air filter, and the fuel stabilizer. And actually they use in that brand new fuel stabilizer that Briggs & Stratton had came out, called Briggs & Stratton Advanced Formula Fuel Treatment and Stabilizer. Stabilizes fuel for up to 3 years. And with this entire little pack here, actually back here it says it could treat 2.5 gallons of gas for up to 24 months, just with this whole thing here, and for about 1.25 gallons of gas can treat it for 36 months. So this kit costed around 12 bucks at wherever you get it, like Home Depot, Lowe's, or Walmart. And yeah, just like I'd said, it does beat by having to buy the stuff separately, where you can just get it all in just one entire kit. Now, I know Briggs & Stratton also makes tune-up kits for some of their other engines, like also on some of their for their lawn tractors as well. And some other brands will make tune-up kits very similar to this. I know Kohler makes tune-up kits for their lawn tractor engines, but I haven't seen one yet for any of their XT series engines that would be on lawnmowers, like on my Lawn Boy 10606. Hopefully, if they will come out with a tune-up kit. And of course, Echo makes their own tune-up kits for their equipments, which I buy those all the time. And so yeah, so once again, this is my little short review on the Briggs & Stratton tune-up kit. This is the kind for the Quantum series engine, and the part number for it is 5140. That's what the part number is. And like I had said, you can get this at either Home Depot, Lowe's, or Walmart, and pretty much any place that would sell lawnmowers. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching.